Still hung up on the same old bands your ex told you about? Upgrade your music taste. Don't settle for half the rock. Get it all. Rock 101.5, The Cat.
Join Cinderella and Rapunzel for magical adventures with Disney Princess pop-up games. Spin to race, collect them all. Get a free Cinderella's Coach game with Stride Right Disney Princess shoes. Offer ends February 23rd.
Unwind. Indulge. Venus Spa Breeze. The 2-in-1 razor with a touch of white tea whispers luxury for your skin and senses.
Beat the Phoenix heat. Wet n Wild is now Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. Bigger, wetter, cooler. Save up to 50% on season passes, but this deal splashes away June 16th. Visit Hurricane Harbor today.
I just take 2 and there's no more tension, no more throbbing, no more pain. My headache is completely gone. In the heat of a single moment, you can live a lifetime. With a glimpse, you're transported to the ends of the earth, to the dawn of time, to the limits of your imagination and beyond. Cherished moments slipping away. Alzheimer's takes them. The Alzheimer's Society fights for a cure. Donate hope.